Mmm! Nabusog na ko sa 2 ka balls and it's really worth it. Grabe ka, satisfying.
Satisfied na kasi 2 ka balls?
Yes!
Palamig.
Hello everyone, we're here today at Iconic Mall. It's the newest mall here in Colon Street, here in Cebu City. And right behind me is Don Takoyaki, and it's proudly owned by my friend Sir Don. So let's try to ask him about a few details here. Sir Don,
Yes po.
when did you open your stall?
1 month pa, August 1.
August 1, and it's located in the 4th floor?
Roof deck, yes. Roof.
In the roof deck of Iconic Mall. So if you can see, they're here preparing na the takoyakis, and they have a few flavors that you can choose from. It's cheese bumps, tag 150, octopus, cheesy crab, naputsuke crab and scallops, and yasai-yaki, veggies. So if you cannot come here, they also deliver. Do you deliver?
Yes po.
Do they deliver?
We're
So,
not yet in po at Grab and Foodpanda
not
soon,
yet in Grab.
but we do deliveries na lang po through our
Okay.
page.
Alright, so you can order through their page. It's Don Takoyaki, Authentic Japanese. And you can call the number 0917-319-8902. They have a Facebook page. Just search Don Takoyaki. And mo na siya. Itong prices is 150. How many pieces for 150?
8 po.
8 balls.
And you can choose to have it for the spicy levels,
Ah,
20%, and we also have 100% and 170 for the super
okay.
spicy.
So you can choose the spiciness of your takoyaki. And they also have drinks. So muna ilang blue lemonade. And we're getting the, what's her name? Cucumber juice. Muna siya. How much? How much is your juice?
50 pesos.
50 pesos
Per
na, and it's resealable, so you can take it anywhere with you. So guys, don't forget, they're found in the roof deck of Iconic Mall. So don't forget, Don Takoyaki is now open to serve you. See you later! Good afternoon everyone, we're here today at Don Takoyaki, located in the roof deck of Iconic Mall, and we're trying out their cheesy balls and their spicy octopus balls. Yeah, octopus balls. So 150, and it has 8 balls inside each pack. So 150 lang siya. And they also deliver. Don't forget, I have it in this video. So sir, ano ba? Kumain na tayo.
Ready, sir. Ano sa naam? This ball? Octopus. I hope I'm right. Sorry, sir. Dako yung hamon.
Dako dong hamon kailangan. Kaya dako kayo ilang balls, guys. Di mo alkansi sa iyong bayad, 150. The girl, dito.
Wait, sabi kay Mura nga. Yummers?
Kami yung ka-zoom in, pero mag-zoom in na lang po sa akong camera. What I can say about their takoyaki, it's very rich in flavor and the sauce is very abundant. And naadyo siya squid cut inside.
Like it.
And then, as what Sir Don mentioned, you can choose the spiciness of your takoyaki balls.
Plus worth it kayo iyang size, no? Like sa kanang other na takoyaki bang usa ka ball is usa ra ka hamon. Yung galisod ko, girl.
I was expecting na one takoyaki can be swallowed. You can fit into your mouth, but no, you need 3 bites. These are their cheese bombs, cheesy bombs. It's been a while since I've eaten takoyaki. 4 months na rabak ko dito sa Argao. Let's try out there. Mga to, sir. Mmm! Sila na kay Suki. 150. Oh my goodness, guys, your 150 is so worth it. Grabe ang cheese inside, oh. My God.
Sir, hi guys! Guys, sa balik ko niya, mapalong isa ka
Naku ko yung murag. Nabusog na ko sa duha ka buhis.
Daw kaya ko ano? Ang nilang squid ba? No?
Nabusog na ko sa duha ka balls.
One off ka lang. Pwede na siya pag meal.
Oh, expect ako dyan.
Abot ko naman delivery sa Pulapu, Consolacion, Talisay. Nya wala pa kayo online marketing kayo. Sa kuan Maxim.
Pero na kay page sir.
Na page.
Ne.
Balik ko rin niya hapon sir mga dinner.
Ano yan?
Kani.
So I'm surely gonna take out one of each so that my family there in Argao can taste. Grabe, it's a must try. Don't forget, Don Takoyaki is just located at the roof deck of Iconique Mall here in the Colon Street in Cebu City. It's a must try, guys. I tell you, lamig kayo siya. And dagko kayo lang cuts, dagko kayo lang balls. One ball, you need to bite it 3 times para makonsume mo ang one ball. And grabe, nabusog na ko sa 2 ka balls and it's really worth it. Grabe ka, satisfying. Grabe.
Satisfied na kasi ko balls?
Yes. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and thank you so much Sir Don for welcoming us to your very first stall.
Thank you, sir.
Nana siya sa mall. So visit Don Takoyaki or contact them in Facebook or call them in case you want to try them out. And for sure, magbalik-balik dyan mag-order. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in my next vlog. Lovies, don't forget to like and follow in Facebook, subscribe in YouTube, and share this video if you want to share the good news. Bye guys!
1, 2, 3, funky.
My darling, I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you.